Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
Guess what today is? Today we are going to play a game because we want to know how much you know about HetteshWorld. So stay tuned. We're Bob and Barb. We've lived by the rules all of our lives, but in 2020 we threw that rule book out the window. We sold our home and moved full-time into an RV with our cat Amelia, and from now on we will be living life our way. Don't you want to come travel in our world? So how it works is we're going to ask you 15 questions, and you are going to answer them based on like our season 1 videos.
Yep.
The first answer that is correct on each question will win 2 stickers, part of our new collection that we have with Skidoo of our new merch that's coming out. You can only win once, so if you answer all 15 and you're the first one in all 15, you will only win one time, and we will then go to the next person in line that would win.
We appreciate you knowing all the facts.
Yeah,
but
we do.
Rules are rules.
So after we have our 15 winners, and when you answer the question, we want you to put in, 1 and then what the answer is, or 3 and what the answer is, so we know what question you're answering. But once we have our 15 winners, you're all going to go into a drawing, and you're going to get a super cool
swag pack.
Yep, which is going to consist of a t-shirt. This is our new t-shirt and our new logo that Skidoo has helped us kind of rework everything through. So it'll be a t-shirt
and a hat.
And we have some different options and colors, and also some different styles of hats. So the winner will be given an option to get the thing that makes them the most happiest. So who is ready to play?
I am.
All right.
Question number 1.
How many kids does HetteshWorld have?
Question number 2. How many grandchildren do we have?
Question number 3. Where did Bob work before we became full-time RVers?
Question number 4. As mentioned in our videos multiple times, what is the length of our Riverstone RV?
You better know that. Question number 5. What are the 3 names of our vehicles? The fifth wheel, the Can-Am Spider, and the Ford truck. What are their names?
Yep. Question number 6, which is going to be a tough one. What is HetteshWorld?
You know if you watch the videos. Question number 7. How many slides does our RV have?
Question number 8. What is the name of our kitty cat?
Question number 9. What state did we originally live in before we sold everything and went on the road?
Question number 10. What is the model of our RV?
Question number 11 is very near and dear to my heart. The goat video. Where was it filmed at?
Question number 12. What brand of water softener do we use?
Question number 13. What are 2 upgrades that we did to the Can-Am Spider?
We did multiple, so you should be able to list 2. Question number 14. Why did we modify our fireplace wall?
Do you know?
I know.
Okay, and finally, question number 15. Why did this guy throw the rule book out the window? So once again, show us what you know. Choose all of them if you want, or the ones that you know the answers to. List the number of the question and just the answer. And you can only win once, and you win 2 stickers of our new collection coming out, which they're super cool. You win 2 stickers of our new collection, which they are super cool. Thank you, Skidoo, for putting those together for us. And then all 15 of you will be thrown into a drawing to win a cool
swag pack.
Yep, which will include a hat and t-shirt of your choice.
Yep, awesome.
So good luck. And if you have any questions, we can help you.
That's right.
So once this is all finished, then we'll do another video and let you know who won.
Awesome.
So remember, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it. We are trying to grow so bad. Share, 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 especially this video, because then it'll make people watch our videos and make the numbers go up. But Like, subscribe, smash up the notification bell because we are HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our incredible world.
That's right. Bye.